Hello guys, welcome to my live section guys. Welcome guys to my live section. How are you doing today? Hope you had a good night rest. Welcome guys to my live section. So let's look at what the market have for us today. Let's look at what the market have for us today. Because the current market condition, we still have a sideways trend. The nothing is happening, no movement, which puts us in a very tight condition in trading this period. So we still have this price still ranging. So long price still ranging, you don't expect any move. So long you are trading in dollar pairs, so long the market is still ranging, you don't expect any move for now. Because the current market condition is still remain sideways. So the current market condition still remains sideways, guys. So don't expect any big move for now. I won't lie to you. Don't expect any big move from the market because the current market condition is very strong on the sideways trend. So let's dive in. Let's look at what the market have for us today. So I'll be starting my analysis with the dollar index from the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see we still have price still having this bullish structure. Let's look at the monthly time frame. So long we have that weekly structure, bullish, and the monthly, look at what the monthly is doing. The monthly, we are currently having price close on the resistance, and we also the price also on a bit on a support. So this is a confusion. So for me, I will advise guys to stay out of the market for now. Stay out of the market for now. Let's allow the monthly chart to close. After the monthly chart close, there might be a clue for price movement. So after the close of the monthly chart, there might be a very clue for price movement, guys. So let's allow the monthly chart to close. Once we see the close of the monthly chart, we start make our decision. So because the current market condition now, for me, I want to advise you to put your hard-earned money on this market. So anything can happen. Anything can happen in this current market condition. Anything can happen. Price might just skyrocket. Price might just sell. So price might just drop. So anything can happen in this current market condition. So this is what we're expecting from the market condition now. So we have to stay out of the market for now. For me, you have to stay out of the market for now. Go and use your money to do other things. Go and use your money to enjoy yourself for now. So long the price still find difficult to make any decision, it will be very hard for you to trade. So you can see, so long you see our price on this support, and we can't buy, we can't sell from this support. We need price to come to this resistance for us to sell. If price fail to break above this resistance. So for me, we have to stay out for now. So long we see how this bullish structure, it will be very difficult. But from what I'm seeing, you might be seeing price breaking this resistance for us to buy more to the top. So we have to stay out for now. Then once we see price close above this structure high, this will be the trigger for the buys on the dollar index. So let's look at the daily time frame of the dollar index. So on the daily time frame, we can also see that we also have price still remain on the range on the daily time frame. So we have to allow price to give us a clear structure for us to sell or for us to buy. So for now, there's no clear movement on the dollar index. But just stay out of the market for now. Let's look at the weekly time frame on the pounds USD. So on the pounds USD, you can see we still have ranging market on the pounds USD. We still have ranging market. You can see we still have price creating, still ranging. We have up, down, up, down, up, down. So we don't have a clear picture yet. So once we see a break we start looking for buy. Once we break down, we start looking for sell. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we also don't have a clear direction. You can clearly see everything is still on the range. So we need price to break down for us to start to sell, break up for us to start to buy. So we don't have a clear market direction on the pounds USD. Let's look at the Euro USD. So the weekly time frame, you can see on the Euro USD, price currently remain on this resistance level. So we have price on this resistance. So no have price on this resistance, expect price to come to where to support for us to what to buy. Then if price can break this support, expect more drop. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have price on this daily resistance and also weekly resistance. So if you are making any decision buy here, you have to be cautious. Anything can happen from this buying region. Trust me, anything can happen. Price might drop dramatically from this region. So you have to be cautious. So before we can start looking for sell, we need price to break this level. Then we look for series of lower highs for us to sell price to this support area. We test, then we sell more. So we don't have a clear movement yet. Don't have a clear movement yet. Let's look at the next pair, which is the Australia USD. So Australia USD, we can clearly see we have price on this weekly resistance level. So we need price to come to support us to what to buy. So we need price to come to support for us to buy. Let's look at the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we need price to come to support for us to what to buy. So we have to be patient. For me, currently the market is dead. For me, that's what I see in this current market condition. The market is currently dead. If you are buying, you are on a trap. You are selling on a trap. So if the DSY still remain on that sideways condition, don't expect anything to happen. So long the market still remain on the sideways condition on the DSY, which is dollar index, don't expect anything to happen from this current market condition. For me, I will advise you guys now to stay out of the market. Go and enjoy your money. Take your money somewhere else to enjoy. Once the market is okay, we can start looking for our position for us to buy and sell. So we might see price retesting back to this support. So we might see price still retest before start looking for buy. So USD JPY. So USD JPY, we might see price retest, close on this support, then start looking for buy to the top. So we have to wait for the weekly to close on the support. So on the daily time frame, we see have sign of bullish inner structural bullish movement. So let's wait for the weekly to close on that support, then start looking for the buys. So let's look at the next pair, which is gold. So gold, I'm planning to sell gold, but there's no breakout yet. I'm also planning to sell gold. So on the gold, we can see on the weekly time frame, we have a bearish trend. We have series of lower highs on gold. So we need price to drop to this support area, retest for us to what to sell, because we have a bearish structure on gold on the weekly time frame. So long you have this bearish structure on gold on the weekly time frame, expect price to what to drop. Expect price to drop, guys. But we don't have a confirmation for the sales yet. So on the daily time frame, we need price to give us a series of lower highs for us to what to sell. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see from the 4-hour time frame, we are currently on a ranging market. So we need price to take out this level. Then we'll start looking for sales. So once we take out that level, we'll start looking for sales on gold. So my direction on gold remains sales, but there's no confirmation for entries for now. So we have to be patient and wait for that entries for us to sell gold, guys. So let's look at the BTC. So BTC on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see we still have price having a bearish structure. So long we have this bearish structure on BTC, we need price to come to this resistance area for us to sell to the downside, because currently we have price on this support area on the weekly time frame, and we can't make any decision from that level. We have to wait for price to move to the top for us to sell. So we have price to move to this resistance. So we need series of higher lows for us to buy to this resistance for start looking for the sell for BTC. So for now, we have to stay out of the market until we get clear reasons for us to join the sales or buy on this market. So let's look at the USD card. USD card, we see have price on the support. So we can see also have a bullish structure, which is have this lower low, then higher low, and higher low. So long we have a series of higher low, expect more buying opportunity for the card. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, if you're joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you're joining us. So on the daily time frame, you can see we see have a series of lower highs, and lower highs. For us to buy, we need series of higher lows for us to buy because we are planning to buy this card. So we have to be patient and wait for price to give us a confirmation for us to buy the card to the top. So guys, we have to be patient to wait for card to give us a confirmation for buy to the top. We have to be patient. Patience is all we need, guys. Patience is all we need. So let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the 4-hour chart of the card. On the 4-hour chart of card, we have this lower low and higher low, but there's no major structural level break, so we cannot make any decision. We need price to break this major structure. We test, then we'll start looking for the buys. So we have to stay out of card for now. Let's look at the next pair, which is the US30. I want price to close on the weekly time frame above this level for US30. Then we'll be joining the US30 buy to the top. So I'm expecting a strong bias on US30. US30 remains the best setup for me to trade this week. But you can see we have this higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So long you have this series of higher lows, it's a good sign of a bullish trend for the US30. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we need price now. You can see price is currently creating higher high, lower high, and lower high. So we need price to break out, retest for us to join the buy to the top. So we are expecting a strong buy for US30. Let's look at the daily time, the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can also see that we also have a downtrend structure. We need price to give us a series of higher low for us to make our decision for the buy for the US30. So US30 is a good pair to trade, guys. US30 is a good pair to trade. Let's look at the next pair, which is the USD CHF. USD CHF, we have the bullish structure. Let's start on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame on USD CHF, we can see we have a bullish structure on USD CHF. We have series of higher low, then higher low, and higher low. So long we have this bullish structure, expect price to continue to push higher for this week. But we have a resistance at this level. We need price to close above this resistance for make our decision for the buy. So we have to stay out for now until we get that break of price above that resistance. Then we'll start looking for the buys. So on the daily time frame, we need price to break above this high, wait or retest for us to buy to the top. So the resistance are still holding this CHF back down. So we expect a strong buy from CHF. Expect a strong buy from CHF. So expect a strong buy from CHF. So let's look at the next pair, Euro JPY. So the Euro JPY, you can clearly see that we still have price creating lower low, then higher low, and higher low on the daily time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we remain on the sideways on Euro JPY. We need a series of lower highs for us to make our decision. Let's look at the next one, which is the pounds JPY. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you are joining us. Please, if you have any question, leave it also in the chat box. So the pound JPY, we see how a bullish structure on the pound JPY. So long we have this bullish structure on pound JPY, expect price to continue to push higher. Expect price to continue to push higher on the pound JPY because the current market condition on the pound JPY, the current market condition on the pound JPY is for the favor more of the buyers. So the price on GPY will favor more of buyers. So I will encourage you guys to take advantage for look out for more buying opportunity on the pounds GPY. Let's look at the daily time frame of the pound GPY. Currently, we have price close on this resistance. So expect price to retest back. Then we'll start looking for buy to the top. So if you watch my analysis yesterday, I said the expect price to come to this level back before we start looking out for the buy. So that is why we are expecting seeing this reversal before we start looking for the buy. Let's look at the euro, the pounds Australia. Pounds Australia, let's look at the weekly time frame. So pounds Australia on the weekly time frame still remain on the sideways. We need price to give us a series of higher lows for us to continue to buy to the top. So we have to wait for that confirmation. Let's look at the pounds card. Pounds card, we need price to continue to buy also, but we need a series of, on the weekly we have a series of higher lows, then higher lows. So we expect more buy from this pair, but let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame now, we can see we need price to come above, retest, then start looking for buy to the top. So once I get all this confirmation, I'll be trading it. Also, I'll also update you guys on it. So for now, I don't have a clear entry on this. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So we have this euro Australia has gone into consolidation at this area. So price currently on the consolidation on the euro Australia. So price is on the consolidation on the euro card. So let's look at the next one. So on euro pounds, we have price secreting series of lower highs, lower highs, and lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So we expect more drop for this price on the euro pounds, but we need price to close on a resistance for us to sell. But price close on a support, so we cannot sell from support. Let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see we have this higher high and lower high. So we expect it close on the weekly resistance for us to join the sell to the down. So we have to be patient for that confirmation. So let's look at CHF, Euro CHF. Euro CHF, see, remain bullish. So look out for your buying opportunity on Euro CHF. You can see weekly is bullish, daily is bullish. So look out for more buying opportunity from the Euro CHF. So let's look at the pound CHF. So pound CHF is also bullish, weekly, daily bullish. So look out for more buying opportunity from these zones. Look out for more buying opportunity, guys, for these zones. Let's look at Euro New Zealand. On the weekly time frame, Euro New Zealand still remains sideways. So I'm preparing to sell, but I need price to break below retest for me to sell. So you can see we have the pounds New Zealand creating higher low, and higher low. But we need price to break this high for the major buy. So we don't have a clear direction yet. So we are just looking for the best setup to trade. We don't want to trade every setup. So let's look at the New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is a chance of price coming to this support. So let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we need price to give us a series of lower highs for us to sell. On the 4-hour time frame, we need price to break below this level for us to sell. So let's look at the next pair. The next pair is Australia JPY. We have price close on the resistance and we are currently on the sideways trend. So we don't have any decision to make yet. So we'll be waiting for a good decision on this pairs. Wait for good decisions on this pairs. Once we have our clear direction, we make our decision. So you just have to be patient. You just have to be patient because the current market condition never advised us to make. It's not okay to trade. So you just have to be patient, guys. Please, patient. Patient is the key. Avoid the current market condition. Don't lose your hard-earned money. Wait for price to give you a good, clear confirmation before we make any decision. So avoid the current market condition. Avoid the current market condition, guys. Avoid the current market condition. Once we get a good setup, I will update you guys. Once we get a good setup, I will update you guys. So once we get a good setup, I will update you guys. There's no good setup. So there's no good setup, guys. So once we get a good setup, I will update you guys. So this week is a funny trading week. It's a funny trading week. No good setup. So we have to be patient for price to give us what we want for us to make our decision. The only people that make money from this market are the patient traders. As the market is ranging now, people are losing money. So don't be among the people that will be losing their money on this current market condition. Just stay out of the market. I took some losses yesterday after I took 3 trades this week. So we have 2 loss and one profit, which is I don't like such trade. So the market condition, I will allow the market to give me clear confirmation before I make any decision again. So I will stay out of the market until the month closes, then before I make any decision. So I'll stay out of the market for now. I'll stay out of the market for now. So if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. So please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you're joining us. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So I'm currently waiting for a good confirmation for me to make my decision this week. This week is just funny, guys. This week is just funny. Funny week. This week is just a funny week. Avoid anything that will make you lose your capital to the market. Avoid anything that makes you lose your capital to the market. Always look for good setup to trade. 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 If you have any question, leave it in the chat box. Always look for good setup to trade, guys. Don't be in any haste to jump into the market. Look for good setup to trade. Always look for good setup to trade. I don't like risking unnecessarily in this market. I don't like it because I value my capital. I don't like it. So I'll be waiting for price to give me a good setup. Once I get a good setup, I'll make my decision. Currently, it's terrible trading this market. It's currently terrible trading, guys. So let's wait for a good setup. Wait for a good setup. Don't jump in. Just allow the market to give a good plan for you to trade. Allow the market to give a good setup for you to trade. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient, guys. Please, if you're just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you're just joining us. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you're just joining us. Please subscribe to the channel. And also like the live, guys. Like the live. Please like the live. Like the live, guys. Like the live, guys. So if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Trading is all about patience. There's no need for you to make any rush. There's no need for you to rush. Take your time. Do your thing. Do your thing, guys. Do your thing. Don't rush. Do your thing. Don't rush. The more you rush, the more you lost your hard earned money to the market. So do your thing. Take your time. Take your time to do your thing. There's no need to rush. We still have more to trade in this financial market. We still have more years to trade. We still have more years to trade. So there's no need for you to rush and lose your money to the market. I would advise you just relax your mind and just do your thing. Relax your mind and do your thing. Don't rush. Relax your mind and do your thing. Don't rush, guys. Don't rush. All we need in this market is patience. All we need is patience. All we need is patience, guys. All we need is patience. All we need is patience, guys. All we need is patience. All we need is patience, guys. All we need is patience. So you just have to take your time. Don't rush. Be patient. Wait for the right setup. Because the current market condition, if you rush, you will lose your money to the market. So please avoid the rush process this period. So our target now, we are looking for buy on the US 30. Then we are looking for sell on gold. So once we get the confirmation, we'll update you guys. So we don't want to rush. But for the gold, the current condition of the dollar index will not allow us to focus more attention on gold because the dollar index still remain on a sideways trend. So on this dollar index, anything can happen from this current level. Market might drop, market might move higher, market might buy. So we don't have any clear confirmation for dollar index for now. So we have to be very, very careful. We have to be very, very careful. We have to be very careful, guys. We have to be very careful. But you know, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. For joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So we expect more of a sideways trend. Once we see the clear confirmation for any big move, I will update you guys. Once we see the clear confirmation for any big move, I will update you guys. So once I come live tomorrow, I will update you guys because tonight we have FOMC meeting, and this FOMC meeting might trigger more buys for dollar. The FOMC meeting might trigger more buys for dollar, so we have to be very, very cautious. We have to be very, very cautious for now. For good confirmation, we have to be very, very cautious. So all we need is patience, guys. All we need is patience. All we need is patience, guys. All we need is patience. All we need is patience. We have to be patient, guys. Just avoid unnecessary trading and wait for the right setup to trade. All we need is patience. So don't overtrade. Look out for your right setup to trade. Don't overtrade. Look out for your right setup to trade. Look out for your right setup to trade. Don't overtrade. Don't overtrade. Look out for your right setup to trade. So that is all you need. Trading requires patience. So if you are patient, you will make money from the market. If you are not patient, you will lose your money to the market. That's just the fact. So we have to be patient. We need a clearer structure from the dollar index. We need a clearer structure. Sometimes you might just see a strong big move happen in this market because there's no clear direction. There's no clear direction. So if you have any question, please leave it in the chat box. Leave it in the chat box. If you have any question, leave it in the chat box. So if you are even trading the dollar pairs, all those pairs for now, I will advise you to just stay out of them. All dollar pairs, you should stay out of the market for now, or to get a clearer picture for movement. Most guys don't understand these things. The market, once dollar index is consolidating, every market will be consolidating. That's just the part. Once the dollar index is consolidating, everybody is consolidating. So that is why I will advise you, don't trade for now. Wait for a clear movement of dollar index, then we'll start making our decision. So don't trade for now. Don't trade for now. Be patient. Be patient. Patient is all you need. Patient is all you need. Don't trade for now. Be patient. So don't trade. Once the dollar index give us a clear clue for more buys, we make our decision to buy. So I will advise you to stay out of the market for now. Don't trade for now. I will advise you to stay out of the market. So we just stay out with the market for now. Once you get the clear pictures, we update you on what to trade. Once you get the clear picture, we'll update you on what to trade. So the market is just funny. Market is just funny. Market is just funny. So we'll take your time, relax, and do your thing, guys. Take your time, relax, and do your thing. Value your capital. Wait for the best setup to trade. Value your capital, guys. Don't rush into this market. Value your capital. Wait for the best setup to trade. So that's the only thing I will advise you to do for now. And that is the best advice I can give you. That is the best advice I can give you. That is the best advice. Today is FOMC, so please be caution, guys. Today is FOMC. Please be caution. The time is 7 p.m. plus 1 GMT. So, guys, be caution. Be caution. Be caution on today's FOMC meeting. So, guys, be caution. So, be caution. So, by 7 p.m. plus 1 GMT, we expect FOMC meeting news. So, that might give this market some boost of move. Then me, I'll be standing aside looking at the market because I don't want to trade. I don't have any clear picture because I value my capital. Because I value my capital, I will not trade for now until I get a clear picture. I will not trade until I get a clear picture. These buys on Euro USD are all fake move. These buys are all fake move. You might see a big drop by the news. You might see a big buy. For us to buy, we must see a break of this high. Because all these levels are all resistance zone. You cannot buy from this level. I value my capital so much. My capital is so dear to me. So I will stay at. I'd rather withdraw it and enjoy it than to trade with this current market condition. That's just the fact. I'm not deceiving you guys. Those are the mistakes some of you guys make. When the market is not okay, you just jump into trade. Those are the reasons why you guys are losing your money. Understand the structure. Understand the structure. You must understand market structure for us to make money from this market. You must understand market structure. If you don't understand market structure, don't expect you to make any money from this market. Trust me. You will not make any good money from this market if you don't understand market structure. Market structure is a good thing for you to understand. Mostly the higher time frame market structure. Mostly the higher time frame market structure. Once you understand the higher time frame market structure, expect a good return. But if you don't understand the higher time frame market structure, it will be very difficult for you to trade the market. I always want to trade in direction of the higher time frame because I value my capital. My capital is so dear to me. I don't want to lose it to the market. don't want to lose it to the market, God. It's not advisable to lose your capital to the market. So you have to be patient, understand market structure, understand the right setup. You have to be patient too. You have to be patient. So those are the reasons a lot of traders lose their capital. Your capital is your key to this market. If you don't have a good capital, you will not make money. If you don't have a good capital, you will not make money. So your capital is key. So if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us, please subscribe to the channel if you're joining us, guys. So too many fake move in this market this period. Too many fake move. Too many fake move, guys. Too many fake move. Too many fake move. Because the structure is not clear, you cannot make any decision. The structures are not okay to trade. The structures are not okay to trade. The structures are not okay to trade. We have to wait for the clearer structure. So gold is still buying. So gold is still buying. US30 is still buying also. So US30 is one of my focus for the week. Once I get a confirmation, I'll be buying the US30. That's the only trade I might trade this week. So every other pair I will ignore them for now, because the dollar index still don't have clear pictures to trade. You are selling the dollar index, so now you are risking your money, because all these zones are weekly zones. Anything can happen from this level. Might see just a push back this resistance. Please avoid the dollar pairs for now, guys. So avoid them for now. Avoid the dollar space for now. You guys will not understand what I'm saying until it happens. Until the market collects your hard-earned money, you understand what I'm saying, what I'm explaining to you guys. Sometimes if you are giving advice, people don't value it until they lost their money to the market for the value your advice. But it's not depend on you to make your choice of what you want. Life is all about choice. Life is all about choice, guys. Life is all about choice. So please, if you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please just support the growth of my channel, guys. Support the growth of my channel. Support the growth of my channel. Like those guys that trade those lower time frame, I usually pity them because they lost more in this market. They lost more in this market. But I'm not an advocate of trading the lower time frame. I don't support that because this business is capital and I don't want to lose my money. Without good capital, you find it difficult to make money from this market. All you need from this market is capital. So you have to hold your capital. You have to hold your capital. You will not understand what I'm saying until you are looking for capital to trade this financial market. So that's why you must value your capital. Your capital is the only key need to trade this market, and so you must value it. I don't lie to you. I won't lie to you guys. You must value your capital. The current market condition is terrible, so you have to stay out of the market. Stay hard until you get a clearer picture to trade. If not, you keep losing, 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 losing. And we don't want to keep losing. We have to stay hard. The rate at which price supposed to buy, price doesn't buy that way. So how do you expect me to put my money on such market? The rate at which price supposed to sell, price doesn't sell that much. Look at gold throughout this week. Now we are being on a range, up, down, up, down, up, down. Throughout this week. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Look at 4-hour time frame. Up, down, up, down. This is not trading. You will lose your hard-earned money. You are trading such market condition. Let's look at euro. Look at euro. Euro still have a good breadth this week. We have 1, 2, but they are still up, down, up, down. But yes, it is zone. It's not okay to trade it. So look at the 4-hour time frame. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see we still have. If you are trading a 15-minute chart, you can manage to pick this one, and it's just small profit. Because I'm not entering any buy from this zone. It's a weekly zone. If I'm trading in 1-hour time frame here, I can do that. Anything can happen from this weekly resistance zone. Market can just drop automatically from that zone. So I don't encourage you to do anything from the current market condition. Just stay out of the market. If you love your money, if you love your cash, stay out of the market. Stay out of the market. If you love your capital, stay out of the market. Withdraw that capital, go and enjoy the money. Just go and enjoy that your capital. That's the only thing I will advise you to do. That's just the part, guys. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, guys. Please support the growth of my channel, guys. Support the growth of my channel. Support the growth of my channel. Please support the growth of my channel, guys. Support the growth of my channel, guys. Please support the growth of my channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you're joining us. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. So, guys, let me leave you here. Guys, we have tried, because we don't have any to trade in this market. The market is just sideways. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. The market is just sideways. We don't have anything to trade. So we'll leave the market. We'll come back tomorrow. Maybe the FOMC meeting today might push price to what we want, but we have to stay out of the market. So we don't have anything to trade on this market. So guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel so that anytime I'm live, you will notify, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I'm live, you will notify, guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys. So subscribe, guys. So let's call it a day and see you guys tomorrow morning, guys. See you guys by 12 p.m. tomorrow, same time. Thank you guys for attending my live section. I really appreciate you guys.